What's the meaning of commutator? Commutator. Commutator.
Commutator. Commutator. A commutator is a mechanical component used in electric motors to convert alternating current, AC, into direct current, DC. It consists of a set of rotating metal bars or segments, which are mounted on the motor's rotor. As the rotor turns, the commutator reverses the direction of the current flowing through the motor's windings, thus ensuring that the magnetic field that drives the rotor always points in the same direction. This results in a steady, continuous rotation of the motor's shaft, making it an essential component in many types of machinery and equipment that rely on electric power.